Hi guys, let me ask you one honest question. How many times have you heard this line? You need a big budget to do marketing. But what if I tell you I spent 0 rupees on marketing, zero, nothing, and absolutely free, and still managed to get real customers' inquiries? No paid ads, no agencies, no premium software, only free AI tools. In this video, I am doing a real experiment to answer one question. Can AI actually replace marketing budget, or is this just another internet myth? No theory, no motivation talk, only real actions and real results. So here's the rules of this experiment. No paid advertisements, no paid tools, no promotion to friends or family groups, only free AI tools, only organic marketing. The goal is get at least one real inquiry or sale. To keep things fair, I am promoting a simple digital product. So no one can say this worked only because you already have an audience. The first step is we are going to find a good digital product. The first problem was simple. What should I sell? So I went straight ChatGPT and asked, give me a digital product that should easily sellable and also easy to make product for free. ChatGPT suggested Instagram post or reel templates, PDF checklist, Notion templates, etc. I skipped PDF because everyone is selling those already. I finally chose Instagram Reels template because in India almost every shop has an Instagram page, but very few are getting real customers from it. The step 2 is finding where do we sell. There are more various ways to sell Instagram Reel templates. I have confused to pick a selling options that sell easily and quickly. So I asked ChatGPT like, I am choosing Instagram Reels template. So tell me some easy and free options to sell these templates quickly and easily. Now ChatGPT gives 3 best options, that is Instagram DM selling, Gumroad, Telegram channel plus payment link. After that I have been thinking what should I choose. But the rules of the experiment is not to interfere with AI. So I selected first option that ChatGPT gave, that is Instagram DM selling. Now the step 3 is customizing our Instagram Reel template. Most of the people think that to creating a Reel template is very difficult. But I disagree that because it's easier than you think. At first we are using Canva to create Instagram Reel templates easily and quickly. So go to Canva and search Instagram Reels. You see a lot of Reels templates. Pick one and change a little bit like background, etc. You have to change some things because if you doesn't, you will get copyright. So make some things to avoid that. So I finally made some changes and come up with a Reel template. We can upload this template in any platform, and as per the AI told, we need a strategy to sell on Instagram. That is, we pick a trending or viral quote and replace the quote on the Reel template and upload it on Instagram. To modify the Reel template, we again go to Canva and replace the quote like this. You can add anything to the Reel template to make it attractive and elegant, like adding fonts, background, etc. Because if the Reel template is not attractive, I am sorry, it won't get you any sales. So make sure the Reel template is attractive and appealing. Of course, choose a trending and viral quote because the only valuable thing we are given in the Reel template is the quote. So make sure the quote that you are using is valuable and attractive. So this is the Reel template that modified and I am going to upload it on Instagram. Can you like this template? Comment below. After modifying your Reel template, you are going to upload it on Instagram. Now the step 4 is setting up the Instagram account. Guys, before uploading on Instagram, we need to create a Instagram account, right? So I asked ChatGPT like, okay, I am choosing first selling option. So I want to create Instagram account. Can you give me attractive username, bio and logo? ChatGPT gave some amazing username, bios, and also it gives some logo ideas. At first, I literally checked the all names that ChatGPT gives on Instagram, but it's all taken. Oh my god, what is wrong with it, ChatGPT? Therefore, I am come with the username as code with reels and full name as reels template. I tell you guys, you need to come up with the attractive username. Mine sucks, right? Secondly, I am choosing first bio option. It seems attractive to me. The step 5 is making logo for our Instagram account. We are using Canva again to make a logo for our Instagram account. So go to Canva and search logo design and choose a logo template like me and change a logo whatever you want and of course download it. So finally we have our Instagram account guys, and I upload the reel template that we created on the Instagram account. I upload it on 30th December, that is Tuesday. Now the result time. As I said, I uploaded the reel template on 30th December, that is Tuesday, and I gave a time of 2 days, that is Wednesday and Thursday. So you are seeing this insight after the 2 days. This reel template got 32 views and 28 account reached. No likes and comments. That's not a very bad insights because this is a new account and this is a first reel that we posted in this account. Maybe if you keep on posting reel template, you will get more views, likes, comments, and even you get a DMs. I also DMs to this 2 account on Wednesday and this screenshot that I take on Friday. None of this haven't seen my message. I don't know why they have Instagram account. So I might say if you keep on posting the reel template, you can get DMs, but this also may don't work. But according to this experiment, I would say ChatGPT is failed to get sales and even a single DMs. But it's not fair to judge by giving a small time, right? Now we are going to see the honest truth about ChatGPT or any AI. Let's be clear, AI will not work for you automatically. AI will not make you successful overnight, but AI can help you start faster, reduce confusion, saves time, makes marketing easier. In a country like India, where budget is limited, AI became a practical business assistant. So the next time someone says, I don't have a marketing budget, the real answer is, you don't need one to start. If you want part 2 of this experiment, a complete list of free AI tools, a step-by-step tutorial, like the video, comment AI, subscribe for real experiment, not generic advice. If you want to watch how I let ChatGPT runs my YouTube channel, click this video to watch this amazing experiment. Until then, you will see in the next one. Peace out.